Okay, good day, students. We wish to start by apologizing for all the inconvenience most of you people have been facing in getting your result online. These are circumstances beyond our control. We have been working with the MTN mobile money team for some days now to have a solution towards easy access to your result. So, Nation System will wish to apologize for all the inconveniences. So, for the meantime, this is how you are going to get your semester result, be it first, second, or receipt semester. We currently have issues with MTN mobile money. So what we devise is, you are still going to pay with mobile money, but you are going to go to your phone and get the message that MTN says that 500 has been successfully deducted from your phone. Let us do a demonstration. This is what I have here. If I come to my menu, result, exams result, examination result, down here you have two buttons. If I want to work, if I've already paid and I cannot access my result, what I do is I am going to click on this button. This is the button down here, already made payment but not seeing result. This button is the button that will give you the ability to supply the system with a particular message that MTN sent to you. For example, now, the system tells me now Nation Isaac has not paid platform charges for 2020-2021 second semester. But assuming that I had paid, what I just need to do is I click here. Now, the system is asking for an external transaction ID. If I come to my phone here, this is a sample. When you click for the first time to pay, MTN is going to send you a message say dial *126# to authorize payment of 500 francs from Nation System approval ID. This is not the ID we are talking about. Once you input your mobile money code and you submit, the system is still going to tell you that you have not paid. That is not from our side, please. That is a technical error from MTN, which we are trying to regularize now. Now, getting that done, we have this message. Once I have supplied my mobile money code and 500 is deducted, I will receive this SMS. Hello, a transaction of 500 francs from your mobile money account by this particular company has been successfully completed. Then they will give you transaction ID and external transaction ID. The ID we are talking about is this external transaction ID. The one that have 20, 51, 16, 30, 24, 05, 39. That is the external transaction ID. Copy the ID anywhere. For example, if I want to copy my own ID, this is what I'm going to do. I can copy my own ID like this. I paste in my message box. To be sure that that is the exact ID, I delete from here upward. See what I'm going to do. I delete from here upward, and I'm left only with the external transaction ID with no full stop. This is the these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These are 14 numbers that I'm supposed to supply there. I take copy, I highlight and take copy, come back to my app, to the website, and paste the external ID there. If I right click now, you see paste. Now, I will not click on check result. Assuming that MTN has sent me an external transaction ID, it is only sent where you have successfully made the payment. If you have not inputted your code and 500 francs is deducted from your phone, you will not get this external transaction ID. Now, once I have this external transaction ID, I will click now on check result. Once I click on check result, automatically now I need to scroll down. Please follow up very carefully. You see my result have opened now. It's just that I'm not having result for this semester. Now, you see here that the result opened because you had already done payment. And now, MTN had not sent us your information. Now, you have supplied the information to our system. Our system now has asked for MTN. From MTN, if MTN has gotten any transaction ID that matches that record. If yes, then the MTN is going to give us your record. This is what we have done, please. Remember, don't pay twice, please. Pay only once. Go to your SMS that you use for payment. Get the external transaction ID. The best way to do it, as you saw here, is that I just highlight the message, copy the message, paste it inside the message box, right click behind the first number and delete, backspace to the last, delete everything. from top to bottom, delete, come back here, highlight all, select all, copy, come back to my system, take it back to my system, click there, paste it and view. So you are going to pay only once. This is now the system says successful payment status updated successfully. So please do that for all your result related issues. Please stop writing to us. We cannot solve it unless you use that particular procedure to get it. We have already solved that with MTN, but hopefully in the days ahead the situation is going to be regularized. Thank you very much for your patience, please. And if you have any problem with your marks, if there are CA related issues, contact your HOD. There are exams related issues, contact the exams office, please. Don't contact us for CE and exam related issues. If there are finance related issues, if they say you have not paid a particular amount of money, go and see those at the finance office. Thank you very much and good luck.